Hey y'all, welcome back. Today, I'm sharing 10 expert strategies to elevate your allotment garden. These tips are all about working smarter, not harder, for a thriving, joyful garden. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned green thumb, you'll find something here to boost your harvest. Let's get started and dig in. Let's dive into the world of no-dig gardening, a revolutionary method that truly works with nature, not against it. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of turning over heavy soil or breaking your back with a shovel, you're not alone. No-dig gardening is all about making life easier for you and better for your plants. It's a method that's gaining popularity among gardeners everywhere, from beginners to seasoned pros, because it's simple, effective, and incredibly rewarding. Instead of the traditional approach of tilling and turning the earth, you simply build up layers of organic material, compost, leaves, straw, and even kitchen scraps, right on top of your garden beds. Think of it as creating a nutrient-rich lasagna for your plants. Each layer breaks down slowly, feeding the soil and your crops over time. This method mimics the way nature builds soil in forests, where leaves and organic matter fall to the ground and decompose naturally, creating a rich, living environment for plants to thrive. The result? A rich, fertile environment that's absolutely packed with life. Earthworms, beneficial microbes, and fungi all flourish in these undisturbed layers, working together to break down organic matter and release nutrients. Not only does this save you time and effort, but it also means your plants have access to everything they need to grow strong and healthy. You'll notice your soil becoming darker, looser, and more full of life with each passing season. When you till the soil, you actually disrupt its natural structure and destroy the delicate web of life beneath the surface. Beneficial microbes and earthworms are harmed, and the soil becomes compacted and less able to hold water and nutrients. No-dig gardening, on the other hand, encourages these vital organisms to thrive, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem right in your backyard. The more you leave the soil alone, the healthier and more resilient it becomes. Over time, those layers of compost, mulch, and organic matter break down naturally, improving soil structure and boosting nutrient levels. You'll see your garden beds transform season after season, becoming more fertile and easier to work with. The soil holds moisture better, drains well, and supports deeper root growth, which means healthier, more productive plants with less watering and less weeding required. One of the best parts? No-dig gardening is fantastic for your back and your body. There's no need for heavy digging or strenuous labor. You simply add new layers each season, let nature do the work, and enjoy the process. It's a gentle, mindful way to garden that's accessible to people of all ages and abilities. No-dig gardening isn't just good for your soil, it's a more sustainable way to grow food. By disturbing the earth less, you help lock in carbon, reduce erosion, and support biodiversity. It's a method that respects the natural cycles of the land and gives back more than it takes. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, you'll find that no-dig practices lead to healthier plants and a more vibrant garden ecosystem. Trust me, your plants and your back will thank you for making the switch. You'll spend less time fighting weeds and more time enjoying the beauty and abundance of your garden. Plus, there's something deeply satisfying about working with nature rather than against it, and seeing the results in every harvest. So, ditch the digging and let nature do the heavy lifting for you. With each new layer you add, you're building a healthier, more resilient garden that practically takes care of itself. It's a simple change that can make a world of difference for you, your plants, and the planet. Embrace the no-dig method and watch your garden flourish with bigger, healthier harvests than ever before. Give it a try. You'll be amazed at the results. Ready for companion planting? It's about pairing plants that help each other thrive. For example, basil repels pests and boosts tomato flavor, while marigolds deter unwanted bugs. The three sisters, corn, beans, and squash, work together to support and nourish each other. Do a little research before planting to find the best companions for your crops. You'll see healthier plants and fewer pests. Companion planting creates a balanced, productive ecosystem. Let nature's wisdom guide your planting choices. Taking just a few minutes each day to visit your garden can make a world of difference. These daily strolls aren't just a pleasant routine. They're your first line of defense against potential problems. By making it a habit to walk through your garden every day, you'll be able to notice subtle changes that might otherwise go undetected. Whether it's the gentle rustle of leaves in the morning breeze or the sight of new growth peeking through the soil, these moments help you stay connected to your plants and their needs. During your daily visits, take the time to look closely at your plants. Examine the leaves for any signs of pests, such as tiny holes, discoloration, or sticky residue. Turn over the leaves to check for insects hiding underneath and inspect the stems for any unusual spots or signs of disease. Early detection is crucial. Catching a pest infestation or a fungal infection in its initial stages can prevent it from spreading to the rest of your garden. This proactive approach saves you time and effort in the long run and helps ensure your plants stay healthy and strong. As you walk through, don't forget to check the soil moisture by pressing your finger into the earth. Is it too dry or perhaps too wet? Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, so monitoring its condition is key. Look at the color and texture of the leaves. Are they vibrant and firm, or are they starting to wilt or yellow? Assess the overall health of each plant, noting any changes in growth or appearance. These small observations made regularly can alert you to issues like nutrient deficiencies, overwatering, or even root problems before they become serious. When you catch problems early, you can take immediate action, removing a diseased leaf, applying an organic treatment, or adjusting your watering schedule. This kind of attentive care keeps your garden vibrant, productive, and resilient. Over time, you'll notice that your plants respond positively to your vigilance, rewarding you with lush growth and bountiful harvests. Early intervention not only saves your crops, but also reduces the need for harsh chemicals or drastic measures later on. Beyond the practical benefits, daily garden visits offer a wonderful opportunity to unwind and reconnect with nature. The simple act of being outdoors, surrounded by greenery and fresh air, can help reduce stress and boost your mood. Take a moment to sit quietly, listen to the sounds of birds and insects, and appreciate the beauty of your garden. These peaceful moments can become a cherished part of your daily routine, providing a sense of calm and well-being. To make the most of your observations, consider keeping a garden journal. Jot down what you see each day: new blooms, pest sightings, weather conditions, or any changes in your plant's appearance. This record will help you track patterns over time, plan your next steps, and remember what worked well in previous seasons. A journal can also be a creative outlet, allowing you to sketch, press flowers, or write about your experiences in the garden. Even if you're short on time, a quick walkthrough can make a big difference. Just a few minutes spent glancing over your plants and beds can help you catch early warning signs and keep your garden on track. Consistency is more important than duration. Regular attention, even in small doses, adds up to healthier plants and fewer surprises. Remember, your plants are always communicating with you. Wilting leaves, yellowing tips, or drooping stems are all signs that something may be amiss. By paying close attention, you'll learn to interpret these signals and respond appropriately, whether that means adjusting your watering, adding mulch, or providing extra nutrients. Your attentiveness helps your plants thrive and builds your confidence as a gardener. Make daily visits a habit, and soon it will become a natural part of your routine. Whether you prefer to check in first thing in the morning or unwind in the evening, regular visits help you stay in tune with your garden's rhythms. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of your plants and their needs, leading to a more successful and enjoyable gardening experience. Every day in the garden brings new discoveries. Stay curious and observant, and you'll continue to learn and grow alongside your plants. Whether you're spotting the first signs of a tomato ripening or noticing a new insect visitor, these daily moments of discovery make gardening a truly rewarding journey. So, step outside, take a deep breath, and enjoy the adventure of tending your garden, one day at a time. Mulch is your garden's best friend. It retains moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Try different types. Wood chips, straw, or compost all work wonders. Mulching means less weeding and healthier, happier plants. It keeps soil cool and moist, especially in summer. As mulch breaks down, it feeds your soil naturally. Don't skip this simple step. Mulch makes a huge difference. Give your garden the magic blanket it deserves. When it comes to maintaining a healthy garden, efficient watering is one of the most important techniques you can master, especially during the hot summer months when plants are most vulnerable to heat stress and dehydration. Let's explore how you can make every drop count and keep your garden thriving, even when temperatures soar. One of the best ways to water efficiently is by using a drip irrigation system. Unlike traditional sprinklers that spray water everywhere, drip irrigation delivers water directly to the base of each plant, right where the roots need it most. This targeted approach not only saves you time, but also significantly reduces water waste, making it an eco-friendly choice for gardeners who care about sustainability. Another advantage of drip irrigation is that it keeps the leaves dry. Wet foliage can encourage the spread of fungal diseases and other plant problems, so by keeping water off the leaves, you're helping to prevent disease and keep your plants healthier overall. When you water, focus on deep, infrequent watering rather than shallow, frequent sprinkles. Watering deeply encourages plants to develop strong, deep root systems that can access moisture even during dry spells. This makes your garden more resilient and less dependent on constant watering. Timing is also crucial. The best times to water your garden are early in the morning or late in the evening when the sun is low and temperatures are cooler. This reduces evaporation, ensuring that more water reaches the roots instead of being lost to the air. Whenever possible, skip the sprinkler and opt for targeted watering methods. Use a watering can or a hose with a nozzle to direct water exactly where it's needed. This not only conserves water, but also helps prevent weeds from sprouting in areas that don't need moisture. By adopting these efficient watering techniques, you'll notice your plants growing stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Plus, you'll be doing your part to conserve water, a precious resource, especially during dry seasons. Setting up a drip irrigation system might take a little effort at first, but once it's in place, you'll enjoy the benefits all season long. Your watering routine will become easier, more consistent, and much more effective. Remember, smart watering isn't just about saving time or water. It's about creating the ideal conditions for your garden to flourish. With these efficient techniques, you'll enjoy a thriving, beautiful garden that rewards your efforts all year round. Want a thriving garden? Start with a soil test. It reveals what nutrients your soil needs for healthy plants. Testing is easy. Kits are available online or at garden centers. Amend your soil based on the results for the best harvest. Healthy soil means healthy plants and bigger yields. Make soil testing a regular part of your gardening routine. Timing is everything. Plant the right crops at the right time for success. Use a planting calendar for your region to guide your choices. Some crops love heat, others thrive in cool weather. Succession planting, sowing seeds every few weeks, keeps your harvest coming. Don't be afraid to experiment with new varieties each season. Even with a short season, cold-hardy crops can extend your harvest. Seasonal planting sets your garden up for abundance. Embrace nature's rhythms for the best results. Your allotment will reward you. Before reaching for pesticides, invite beneficial insects into your garden. Ladybugs and lacewings are natural predators for common pests. Plant a variety of flowers to attract these helpful bugs. Provide shelter with insect hotels or piles of rocks and logs. A diverse ecosystem keeps pests in check naturally. Skip the chemicals and let nature balance your garden. Beneficial insects mean healthier plants and fewer problems. Work with nature for natural pest control. That's it, 8 powerful tips for a thriving allotment garden. Remember, gardening is a journey. Enjoy the process and have fun. Like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!